Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday afternoon 1 p.m. and today I'm going to talk about the offer on the Aoocci devices. That is, you will get 28% discount on all the products across Aoocci website. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. So here is my RS457 and I am out on this highway on a solo weekend ride. So I thought let's talk about the Aoocci devices in this video. It's been very long, and currently I have this Aoocci BX product which is installed on my RS457. This is a very high-end product from the Aoocci brand. So it costs somewhere around 23,000 rupees. But if you want to go for any other product, that is the Aoocci C6 Pro or the Aoocci C3 Pro, even those products are available on the Aoocci websites. So let me explain you the discount that is running on the Aoocci devices. So right now you will get 28% discount up to 5th of December for all my followers, and you will have to use the coupon code Prakash Suraj 28 in order to avail that. The regular coupon code Prakash Suraj is applicable anytime. It will give you 22% discount, but for a limited time you will get the 28% discount if you use the coupon code Prakash Suraj 28. And to check the products and its reviews, I have reviewed all these three products extensively on my channel. The link is available in the description section down below. You can check it out. And let me tell you, these products come with the front and rear camera as well. The C3 Plus does not have the front and rear camera, but all the C6 Pro and the Aoocci BX, it comes with front and rear camera with tire pressure monitoring system. So there are three buttons over here. This module comes with the device itself. If I press the upper button, so this is the rear camera that you are seeing. If I press it again, this is the front camera. If I press it again, it will take me to the TPMS settings. Right now the tire pressure sensors, I have removed it, and this is by default the home screen of this device, where you will see the speed based on the GPS module that comes along with this device. And if you want to see the installation video, everything is present on my channel. So let's go on a ride and see how it performs. If I press this home button again, it will take me to Android Auto. And if I want to navigate anywhere, let's say if I want to go home, I just select my home address, click on start, it starts navigating me to home. And if you want this, Google Maps works via the four-wheeler mode only, because Android Auto is not yet compatible with two-wheeler mode. But if you want to use the two-wheeler mode on the maps, you will have to use the Mapple's Map My India app. Even that is compatible with these devices, so that will show you the two-wheeler routes as well. So let's go on a ride and see how it performs. Let's go. This device is actually very cool. You might think that if you have a mobile phone or a secondary mobile phone, you can use that. Why do you want to invest so much? The difference between a mobile phone and these type of devices are, a mobile phone has a battery inbuilt into it. When it is exposed to the direct sunlight, it heats up and switches off on its own. But there is no battery installed in this device. It is connected to the battery of your vehicle. It draws power from there, so it never gets heated up. You don't have to worry about the camera calibration going off. You just have to carry one device. All your calls, messages, Google Maps, everything is shown up on the dash while you are on the fly. It is absolutely useful for the people who are touring and for the people who do commuting on their super bikes or their premium motorcycles. You can buy these devices. As you can see on the maps, it shows 13 minutes and 0.7 kilometers to go home. So let's go. I'm in love with this motorcycle. I'm riding it after so many days and it feels so much enthusiastic again. I forgot to bring my Insta360 today. That's okay. it's time to close this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. And all the links of the Aoocci product is present in the description section down below. Even the installation and the review videos are present in the description section down below. The code is Prakash Suraj 28, valid till 5th of December. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.